Temperatures will begin to rise as the spring season approaches. This also means pesky insects will start to make an appearance again. Consider putting down a broad-spectrum insecticide to keep spring pests like grubworms away. If you put down a granular insecticide, be sure to water it in to help it get down into the soil. This should be all the water your lawn needs for the week. Grubworms are like little white grubs that feed on the roots of your grass, which can eventually kill an entire lawn. They are C-shaped and have 6 little legs located at the front of their bodies. Dying or a damaged area of grass may be caused by grubworms. Since the root system and plant bed have become weaker, grass may feel spongy or easy to lift up like a piece of carpet. For more information on spring insect control on your lawn, visit our series of homeowner maintenance guides on Celebration, Latitude 36, and Northbridge. If you have a different kind of Bermuda grass, refer to our generic Bermuda grass maintenance guide. We've provided links to each guide in the video's description on YouTube. This video is also a part of our spring maintenance series that's full of other tips like irrigation practices, weed control, and more for Bermuda lawns.